Good morning, children. Children, start. You can see your Farzana ma'am is in front of you. So, it is your English book to be opened by you. Open your English book and your page number which we left in a previous video, that is a lecture, was your exercise and it was your page number 47, I remember. Okay. This was your no, 48 we did, we completed 48 and now we are going to continue with our 49th, 48. Hope you have got your answers. If not, just let me know, I will send it to you, but I have discussed this with you. So, here we go, and on your page number 49 it is your big question answers area. So, you will be getting this big question answers in the PDF form, but let us discuss it. Work in pairs and give instructions for the following. No. It's over here. I just slipped to the next page. Written, read and answer. 1. What did the funny looking men do when Rip Van Winkle placed the barrel on the ground? So, funny little men जो थे, men मतलब plural of man. So, many mans are there. So, here that is why men is written and the pronunciation of men is men. So, funny looking men ने क्या किया, जैसे ही रिप वैन विंकल जो हमारे हीरो हैं ये स्टोरी के, उन्होंने बैरल ज़मीन पे जब जैसे ही रखा. So, what they do? They all pulled their mugs out and dipped in the barrel and drank that drink, and that drink which they drank was sweet, little strange sweet drink. Okay. Then 2. Who did Rip Van Winkle call after waking up? तो रिप वैन विंकल जब उधर सो गए, माउंटेन पे चले गए थे ना, याद है स्टोरी में, और फिर जब उठे, whom did he call? Did he get any response? क्या response मिला? Let's see. He called his dog because he had taken his dog along with him. He called his dog, but did the dog gave any reply? No, there was no response. 3. What made Rip Van Winkle feel that the village had changed? जो विलेज में वो माउंटेन से उतर के जब चल रहे थे, तो उनको क्यों लगा कि वो विलेज बहुत बदल गई है, चेंज हो गया है? इज़ बिकॉज देर वर नो फेसेस विच ही कुड, नोन फेसेस नहीं थे, देर वर नो नोन फेसेस टू हिम विच ही यूज्ड टू सी व्हेन ही वाज स्टेइंग in the village, and when he came back he could see all the unknown faces, जिसको वो जानते ही नहीं हैं, वो सारे faces दिख रहे थे, those faces he could see. So that's why he thought, that's why all these changes of the new faces and the new area around where he was walking, those old things were not there, made him feel that the village has changed. Then think and answer. What had happened to Van Dammel? Van Dammel को क्या हुआ था? तो Van Dammel died 18 years back. ऐसा किसी ने जो gathered हो गए थे crowd में, उन लोगों ने बोला. Then 2. Why was Rip Van Winkle overjoyed? Rip Van Winkle एकदम ज़्यादा, हद से ज़्यादा क्यों खुश हो गए? Because he met his daughter. And he was overjoyed that her daughter was there in a grown up young lady, and they both recognized each other. Yes. 3. Which incident in the story suggests that Rip Van Winkle was a kind man? आपको किस सेंटेंस से लग रहा है या कौन से इंसिडेंट से लगा कि रिप वैन विंकल काइंड मैन है? That he when a funny little man came or approached him and asked some favor from Rip Van Winkle for carrying the barrel to the cave, the person, the hero of this story, he without any grumble, he lifted the barrel, he picked up the barrel and he carried to the cave, to the spot where the funny little man wanted him to keep. And this, because of this sentence, we came to know that Rip Van Winkle was a kind man. Reference to context. Read this sentence and answer the question that follow. What sentence we have to read? See from the passage. he went up the mountains 21 years back. तो ये सेंटेंस किसने बोला? A. Who says these words to whom? It was said by the young girl from the crowd. Okay, to the person. That person nobody knows, but we know it. It was Rip Van Winkle. To he. He went up means मतलब ये जो man है, इनसे किसने कहा? The young girl, the young lady you can say from the crowd. Okay. To he. Then B. Who is he? अब आपको बताना है he कौन है ये सेंटेंस में. So now your hero name will be coming Rip Van Winkle. Then C. Why does he go up the mountain? ये mountain पे क्यों चले गए थे? That is for so many years he stayed over there, slept over there. So he went over there because his wife was always against him and always telling him to take a job and continue with the job and get some money in the house. ये हमेशा वो बार बार बोलती रहती थी. She used to continuously behind her husband telling him to take up a job. Then D. Whom does he go with? ये जो he है हमारे हीरो, ये किसके साथ गए थे? He went up with the dog. Okay? Yes. Now what is this? Higher order thinking skill questions telling us to do? Do you think Rip Van Winkle started working hard after waking up from his long deep sleep? Give reasons to support your answer. So we understood by the lesson, the moral of the story was that we should not be so lazy in our life that we miss our happy moments of our life when we are lazy. So he learned this lesson. Rip Van Winkle already came to know that he missed so many good moments which he could have enjoyed with his children, with his daughter, with his wife, and now when he was back, he lived happily with his daughter. So because of this happy ending, we can assume that now he was not lazy and he was on his toes. He may be doing some work to keep himself busy and get some money for the house. Okay. So children, we will stop over here. We will continue our exercise in our next video, and you keep on reading your lesson, keep on answering your more exercise. If I haven't solved also, we have not discussed also, then too you can go further and start solving your exercise and send me your answers. Till then children, bye.